Welcome to an eye-opening journey that will challenge everything you thought you knew about dieting. Today, we're uncovering the surprising truth about carnivore diets. The secret to weight loss and feeling amazing. Did you know that eating a diet rich in animal proteins and fats can actually help you shed those stubborn pounds? It may sound counterintuitive, but countless success stories support this claim. When you consume a carnivore diet, you eliminate all carbohydrates and focus solely on animal-based products. By doing so, your body enters a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. This metabolic shift leads to rapid weight loss, as your body taps into its fat stores. But that's not all. Studies have shown that carnivore diets can also reduce inflammation, improve digestive health, and enhance mental clarity. Imagine waking up every morning with unparalleled energy levels that last throughout the day. No more mid-afternoon crashes or relying on caffeine to keep you going. A carnivore diet can provide you with sustained energy, making you feel unstoppable. But doesn't a diet so focused on animal products increase the risk of heart disease? Surprisingly, research suggests otherwise. Contrary to popular belief, a well-formulated carnivore diet could improve markers of heart health, such as LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Of course, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or dietitian before embarking on any major dietary changes. But with the right guidance and support, a carnivore diet can unlock the weight loss wonders and energy boosts you've been searching for. So, if you're ready to ditch the traditional dieting methods and step into a new and exciting world of carnivore diets, be prepared to transform both your body and your mindset. Embrace the hidden secrets of carnivore diets and unlock the true potential of your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights and helpful tips on optimizing your health and lifestyle.